it best. With the SiriusXM Platinum VIP plan, you can unlock the ultimate listening experience in up to 2 cars and stream anywhere with 2 app logins. Enjoy our greatest content, opportunities for VIP experiences, and dedicated customer care. Plus, get access to Apple Music, Stitcher Premium Podcasts, and Nugs.net concert recordings. Call 855-268-1820 and become a VIP. Offer details apply. Not available in Canada.
The wait is over. The Black Friday mattress sale is going on now at Ashley. Shop limited time Black Friday mattress doorbusters, including fast free shipping on Ashley Sleep Queen mattresses, starting at just $199.99. And right now, check out our wide selection of in-stock mattresses, ready to be brought home today. You've waited all year for mattress deals this good, so hurry into your local Ashley store or tap the banner now for better sleep and savings. Only from Ashley. See store or ashley.com for details.
The Wendy's $3 breakfast deal is here. Get a bacon or sausage, egg, and Swiss croissant, plus a small seasoned potatoes. That's a better breakfast for just $3 in 3 easy steps. 1, wake up. 2, get out of bed. And 3, head to Wendy's for your $3 breakfast deal. Choose wisely. Choose Wendy's $3 breakfast deal.
Limited time only. Participating U.S. Wendy's during breakfast hours. Select or request $3 breakfast deal in order to obtain discount. Not valid for all carte or combos orders. Price and participation may vary in Alaska and Hawaii.
Spoiled supermarket meat, sawdust like fillers, artificial preservatives?
I'm veterinarian Dr. Marty Goldstein. These potentially harmful ingredients are found in many of today's popular dog foods, but not in Nature's Blend.
For a limited time, save up to 54% off Nature's Blend and receive a free festive holiday dog sweater with select orders. Go to drmartyspets.com/Fox or text Fox to 511-511. Offer available with select orders while supplies last. Text fees may apply. You may receive up to 1 additional text. Text stop to opt out.
Hear that? It's a beautiful sound. That too. Listen to all the curb appeal enhancing ideas from your local pros at Window World. Transform your home with windows, doors, and siding. High-end style, low maintenance, energy efficiency, guaranteed low price. That's a win-win, win-win. That's Window World. Go to windowworld.com for your free consultation. Window World, America's exterior remodeler.
Dan, are you ever curious why your back hurts every morning?
I just want to know where you put the foam roller.
It's a good thing Safa didn't hire you to design their mattresses. The Safa Classic incorporates spinal zone technology so effective, it comes with the chiropractic seal of approval.
Really?
Really?
No more back pain?
Nope.
It's kind of like sleeping with a chiropractor every night.
It's not like that at all. Get $200 off your purchase of $1,000 or more at safa.com/Fox News.
Truck drivers, get more of what you're looking for from Schneider. Schneider delivers more for drivers with more new equipment, more driving options to choose from, and more support from our 24/7 maintenance team. Find a job that fits your lifestyle at Schneider. Choose from solo or team driving jobs with many home time choices, including local, regional, tanker, and dedicated options. Become a Schneider driver and get more from your career. Search driving jobs today at schneiderjobs.com. That's schneiderjobs.com.
Hi, I'm Kathy Hill, founder of Tax Tiger. If you happen to have unfiled or unpaid taxes, Tax Tiger can protect you from the IRS, release wage and bank levies, and negotiate awesome settlements. Above all, Tax Tiger is a company which operates based on Christian principles. Call us today at 1-800-IRS-9196 for a free consultation. 1-800-IRS-9196 or visit us online at taxtiger.com.
Tucker Carlson tonight.
It'll be a different day, but our position on the world will remain unchanged.
Don't miss a minute. Weeknights at 8 p.m. Eastern on Fox News Channel.
The awards show that matters is back. The 2022 Fox Nation Patriot Awards. And it's bigger than ever. Let's do this. The only place to watch it live is on Fox Nation. Join Pete Hegseth and all of your Fox favorites this Thursday to celebrate our country's real heroes and honor their commitment to our nation.
It is the award show that America needs and that America deserves.
Sign up at foxnation.com and get exclusive access to the 2022 Patriot Awards this Thursday. So now here's a twist. The U.S. men's national soccer team is heading to the World Cup next week in Qatar. Instead of wearing a red, white, and blue shield, the team is changing it to show a rainbow pattern to make a statement supporting gay pride while in the Muslim nation. Clay Travis, founder of Outkick here. Trey, good morning to you. One of your writers at Outkick, Bobby Barack, writes the following. He says, while each other country proudly represents their nation during the World Cup, the U.S. men's team will represent the LGBTQ community. In a way, it's fitting. Pandering has replaced patriotism in the United States, especially in the genre of sports. You see this as a big deal?
Look, I think Bobby's incredibly talented, and I'm excited that we have so many great writers writing at Outkick every single day. I think this is a little bit unique, Bill, because of the policies in place in Qatar. Because this is a direct statement in some way of America's embrace of human rights. But I also think, hey, you know, the shield is iconic. I'm not sure that I necessarily would change it. Players on an individual basis can speak out for human rights around the world, as I think they should. And I've certainly encouraged in the past athletes representing the United States on the global stage to use the United States and the freedoms that many of us take for granted here as a window into what they believe should exist around the world. So I think it's a little bit of a unique circumstance given where this is taking place. If we were playing this, for instance, in the United States and they did this, I feel like it would be excessive. But given where we are in Qatar and the fact that, take it outside of the world of LGBTQ rights, you know, you can't even drink a beer hardly in Qatar right now. So I think this is going to be a little bit of a different World Cup, to say nothing of the fact that it's happening in the fall, Bill, when you and I are trying to keep track of our favorite NFL teams. Your Bengals are on the upswing a little bit, I think. And I know Dana does sports. I mean, I know she's plugged in halfway at the NFL season here, as much as she possibly can be.
Yeah, right on. Just win, baby. That's the message in Qatar. Now, Elon Musk, I know you follow this very carefully, okay? There's a few urgent headlines crossing on the Reuters wire. Here's one. The engineering division set to be divided in 3 different organizations: product, infrastructure, and support. So Musk is reorganizing the company as we speak, but he's also saying, hey man, we got to make money if we want to stay in business. Here is a leaked email from a few weeks ago, actually 5 days ago. No way to sugarcoat the message. Twitter will not survive if its business model does not change. Frankly, the economic picture is dire, especially for a company like ours that's so dependent on advertising in a challenging economic climate. Many online operations are losing advertising dollars now. It appears that Twitter might be losing more, however. How does he do it? How does he turn a trick to stay successful?
Look, Bill, Elon Musk figured out how to land planes in space and bring them back better than NASA. And he managed to determine and build a brand new way to power vehicles after 100+ years of planning using the combustion engine. So if I had to bet, a guy who can send space rockets to space better than NASA, and a guy who has completely remade the way that cars are built and the way that we power them in the country, I think he can figure out how you and me and everybody else can pick up our phones and send messages more efficiently, because that seems like a relatively small challenge compared to the 2 that he's already trying.
I don't disagree with that.
I think he's going to figure it out.
Does he have too many enemies to sink that ship?
Hey, we're on the network that has more enemies than anybody, and you know what it also has more on? Viewers. So I don't worry as much about the people who hate as the people who love. And I think right now that Elon Musk has more people who love him and support what he has been capable of in this country, even if his critics sometimes garner a large amount of headlines. I think they're a substantial minority overall, because I think most Americans believe that we should have a robust marketplace of ideas, and that is what ultimately he's committed to at Twitter.
We'll see if you can make that kitchen sink bigger. Thank you, Clay. Great to have you back. Clay Travis, we'll hear you later.
Hey, appreciate y'all.
Thank you, Clay. Dana.
Well, we are learning more about the relationship between Democrats and the CEO of FTX. That's the big cryptocurrency exchange that just went bankrupt. Much more on this unfolding story ahead.
So the Democrats' second biggest donor just blew up right after he helped Democrats keep the Senate. Oops, that's a shame. Perfect timing for Chuck Schumer, though.
Regulated activities performed by a licensed affiliate.
I had no idea I can